Hello everyone, Straydog Bill Arnold, co-founder of Straydog No-Kill Dog Shelter and Sanctuary at straydog.org, also known as Straydog Billy on my YouTube channel, where today Erin, my daughter Erin, and I are going to do song number 1749, and 1749 days in a row, haven't missed yet. Started doing one song every day on August 7th of 2020, right in the middle of COVID, and we're going to keep on doing one song every day until homeless dogs and cats are no longer killed, no longer euthanized in the kill shelters across our country, because when they run out of space, there is nothing else the kill shelters can do but start euthanizing the poor dogs and cats who have been there the longest to make room for incoming rescues, because we're getting too many incoming rescues, and that's caused because we're allowing dogs and cats to procreate too much. And that's adding up to the population, the overpopulation of dogs and cats, and then they have to be killed in the shelters. Just a terrible tragedy that this is going on. It's been going on for decades and decades and decades and decades, and it can be stopped through spay and neuter. We've got to get everybody on board to spay and neuter, and
there's low-cost spay and neuter clinics. So you get to save a bunch of money. And just Google it in your area.
Yes.
See if you have one close by.
Yes. Either way, though, we got to get control of conception in the dog and cat world, and that's done through spay and neuter. And please, everybody, share this video with others to try to get more and more people on board. Subscribe to the channel, because that helps. And then adopt from a shelter to try to save as many of the poor dogs and cats who are already there in the shelters, and they're going to be euthanized unless they're adopted. So we can try to help with that, and also spay and neuter your own dogs and cats. And Fresh Pet that you've seen on the television and different ads all over the place, they're supplying Straydog now with enough dog food to feed our 150 dogs at the shelter twice a day. We give them a meal at 6 a.m. when the crew arrives. After the overnight guy has been there all night, and at 6 a.m. the crew arrives, and they feed him one meal then, and then in the afternoon they feed him a second meal to break up their day. So that's very important.
Thank you, Fresh Pet.
Yes, thank you very much,
and
Fresh
the
Pet.
other donors too.
Yes, and thank all the donors to Straydog. Okay, today we're going to do a song from Leonard Skinner called Freebird. And here we go. Are we ready? 3, 4. If I leave here tomorrow, will you still remember me? I must be traveling on now. There's too many places I've still got to see. If I stay here with you, girl, things just could not be the same. I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird Bye-bye, baby, it's been sweet love. Though this feeling I can't change, please don't take it too badly. Lord knows I'm to blame. If I stay here with you, girl, things just could not be the same. I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. No, this bird you cannot change. Yes, please everybody, spay and neuter your pets. Let's get control of conception in the dog and cat world. And we'll be back again tomorrow with another song from Straydog Billy and Erin.